Yo, what's up everybody? Today's travel vlog. I'm flying to Perth, Western Australia, and seems like the airport in the morning is pretty busy already, not so bad. So we'll see you how it looks like on the other side. Meanwhile, this is just the first quick look from the outside. Well, the traveling seems like it's going back to any kind of normal. And the main lobby before check-in still looks not bad. Some people are here and there and the restaurants are open. Arrived a little bit too early today. My flight is for 2:15 and now it's like still check-in not open. So I wanna show you a little bit. Not bad. Definitely travel somehow is back. Also, this is international, not domestic. I believe in domestic must be super busy. And also that's the international arrivals. Arrivals are, yeah, stable. Moderate traffic on arrivals. Down there's the arrivals, obviously. Okay, I try to go on the other side. That's the list of all the flights today. Actually, quite a lot. And yeah, I'm going to Perth by AirAsia at 2:15. Check-in bags area, moderate traffic. Many stations are still empty and closed. That's the entrance to the immigration. Alright, I'm checking. This is the duty-free zone. With KITAS, KITAB and other permits, you can make it immigration pass, immigration clear, immigration, all of this stuff for less than 15 minutes in short distance, even 10 minutes today. If you don't have it, maybe 45 minutes today, the traffic for that, so keep it in mind. Not bad. So that's the duty free. Obviously here they have Emporia Armani now. I'm surprised. And also they have a Mont Blanc. Mont Blanc is very nice. If you would like to shop something duty free, you can still have an option. There are some bars, obviously, right? Upstairs on the second floor, there are the lounges. If you are flying the business or you have access to the lounge, you will stay upstairs. Some coffee shops, some restaurants. John Hardy is open again in 1975. Dutch guy married with Balinese or Indonesian, not sure though. Wolfgang Park and yeah, WH has regular stuff. I'm gonna find something nice, gonna show you. I just wanted to show you for a minute, maybe just the regular situation. You can still buy the souvenirs, merchandises from Bali. There's a Cafe Revolver recently. That's very interesting for everybody who love Cafe Revolver. Is it in airport? Maybe actually if I will could rest here, not bad. Giveaways, options, and overall this is the main hall between gate 2 and 9. Looks like this one. Yeah, that's the crowd recently, end of April 2023. Yeah, the Revolver looks really good. I think I'm gonna have a seat. Just gonna show you a little bit like this one. The crowd right now, moderate but busier than last time when I was flying to Singapore with Winnie, that's for sure. Also from my observation is, as always, regular stuff. Most of the flights are going to Australia, Melbourne, Perth and other cities, and of course Asian cities, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, Bangkok, Ho Chi Minh City. That's the top destinations, and time to time of course some European destinations and Middle East, especially Dubai, Qatar. So yeah. Also make sure if you're flying to Australia, they checking bags differently than any other destination where I ever fly from Bali. So keep it in mind. But everybody should know as Australian customs are super strict, and also I had some situation with customs in Adelaide a few years ago. If I have nothing to talk, I will let you know. And I need to get the coffee and breakfast. And this is the situation inside the Revolver. Very nice. I think that was the Hard Rock long time ago here or nearby. Anyways, I got my big breakfast. Looks like this one, 140, Coke Zero 40 and Cappuccino 50. And I'm going to Perth, as you can see. So yeah, see you in the plane. Boarding time to AirAsia. But Jetstar are also flying, obviously, but today to the Perth, AirAsia, why not? And this is AirAsia inside. I have a 14A, which is the best seat in full entire plane, the red one on the emergency exit with the extra leg room. Yeah, but boarding is pretty slow for some reason today, I'm not sure why, but also no need to wear a mask, that's good. Alright, welcome to Australia. That's the only one belt open la. Basically, literally, only one belt, only flight from Bali. And they just start moving after 15 minutes. Welcome to Perth, Western Australia. That's how does it look like. The arrival hall, not that much going on. Got my SIM card for $30, 60 GB, not so bad. ATM for Indonesian cards doesn't work yet. So that's gonna be very interesting. Luckily, I paid using my Indonesian card. Hopefully I can withdraw some cash. And I got down by bro, Mick Everett came, pick me up from the airport. You may know him already from Bali once. And also this is the guy who removed all your nasty comments on live stream. That's my moderator as well. And a graphic designer as well. And anything, my good mate. Alright, let's go. Also the weather here is so cool and lovely right now. It feels like, I don't know, 19 degrees or something. It's like summer in Poland though. Really not bad. Okay, where is your ride? We got lost. Gonna get a ride with me. Weather is 19 degrees and I feel good with wearing only t-shirt, but for sure I will have to grab the jacket later on. Probably. That's so cool. First impression, cool weather. Alright, it's 19 degrees. I don't know if you can see, we are in the car, and check this out, there is no traffic leaving Bali Perth airport. You see? Easy fizzy. Exactly, bro. What you having?
Great singer, bro.
Looks good. And this is the little bit bigger version of the fish and chip. Little bit. Yeah, the portions in Australia are totally different. But
Small version.
a small version. But Friday night, where are the people, bro?
Oh, everyone wants to stay inside.
Yeah.
He can't sing.
There is the guy who can sing also. No, he's alright. Some people are behind, all good. Had some proper fish and chip eventually in some local bar, pub. But I'm gonna tell you now, I feel a little bit cold. So tomorrow, probably jacket. At least at the time, it's 9:30. Thanks so much. That was just the travel vlog. I will see you tomorrow on next one from Perth, Western Australia.